Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on suggested replies Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to turn on suggested replies Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To turn on suggested replies in this Teams, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here in the General menu, scroll down to find the Suggested Replies menu. Now here there is a Suggested Replies menu, and tap on this menu to turn on Suggested Replies. This feature speeds up responses in chat by providing automatic response options, such as thank you or I agree, making communication more efficient. So that's it, the tutorial how to turn on Suggested Replies Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.